Our clients build the coolest things. Integrators, panel shops, and OEMs have never been more innovative, versatile, or busy. Total ETO's clients are especially creative, revolutionizing the industry with custom machines. And despite being so busy, they're able to become leaders in their field, thanks to the visibility and advancements provided by Total ETO. Our ERP/MRP solution is designed for engineered-to-order manufacturers, increasing their accuracy, efficiency, and profitability. Starting with the sales cycle, your team will be able to estimate projects with precision and ease from the data that Total ETO generates. During the project, change order information including labor, material, and sales price changes can be captured in just a few clicks. Your engineers and designers will love our dynamic BOMs that integrate with popular CAD systems. Spreadsheets and double entry are eliminated so your designers can spend more time designing. Parts can be released to procurement in stages, including long lead components. This keeps your projects on time and on budget. You can also create routings for fabricated parts and track them as they flow both in your shop and externally. Plus, it's easy to record time or to check on quality issues from the shop floor. Accountants always appreciate how seamlessly Total ETO integrates with popular accounting and payroll systems. The convenience of project costing and accounting means end-of-month activities such as WIP and percentage complete revenue recognition are a breeze. Finally, being able to track your project workflow, see job costing, and other reporting metrics at all stages of a project empowers management with real-time information. It's more than a great set of features that will benefit your company. The unique workflow of Total ETO matches the engineer-to-order process so closely, you'll think it was designed just for you. Book a demo and experience it yourself. With Total ETO, your bottom line is totally better.